Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to print cookies in Python. First, we need to install Mechanical Soap module. We can use a pip or pip3 command to install. I will just clear the terminal first and pip3 install Mechanical Soap and just hit enter. Now we have successfully installed Mechanical Soap on our system. We just clear the terminal and go back to our code. And over here, import Mechanical Soap. And then import http://cookiejar. And now I'm going to define a function where we are going to make a request to a page and get the cookies and print those cookies. Here I will define a method get cookies, and it will take a URL of a site. And we need to get our browser by Mechanical Soap and its function stateful browser. Now we have this browser object. We are going to get the cookie jar. Cookie jar by calling http://cookie jar.cookiejar and then browser.set_cookie jar, and we need to pass in our cookie jar. And now we can pass in the URL so our browser can open that URL and get those cookie, and then we are going to print this cookie. So browser open URL, and now we can loop through our cookies jar for cookie and cookie jar print cookie dot underscore our dictionary underscore. And now we just need to call our function get cookies if underscore name equals main. Need underscore, two underscores here too. And over here site URL, our site. And now we are just going to get the call our method get cookies and pass in our site. And we can run our program with Python 3, and here's the output. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Same code keeps supporting me, and thank you for watching.